Without further ado, I think it's time to begin in 3, 2, 1.
And the robots are off, lowering themselves from their bases as Team 6712 manages to successfully detach. But let's see if they're able to identify their mineral.
4 successful releases. 9470 gets into the red crater. 6712 manages to get their sample field correct, while 8610 gets theirs correct, pushing themselves into the depot and claiming it with their marker.
Team 6712 managing to get themselves their mineral knocked over. However, neither Blue Alliance team ended in the depot nor the crater.
What a fantastic autonomous.
3, 2, 1.
Let's see if these robots perform as well in teleop. 8610 trying to get themselves out of the corner. Looks like they're free.
With the drivers in control, Team 6712 tries to reach into the crater and grab as many minerals as they can.
267 moving to put more minerals in the blue depot. 8610 and 9470 looking like they're competing for space over near the red crater.
And Team 9470 able to successfully dump some silver minerals into their lander. But then again, so does 6712 and their teammate 8610.
8610 also managed to drop 2 gold minerals into the red side of the lander. 8612 lining up to pick up some more minerals from the crater. 267 looking like they're trying to block a little bit, but they're not getting any room in edgewise. 8610 goes to drop another pair of minerals, accidentally ends up with one on the ground. 6712 gets another silver end and another after that.
And
very expediently, 8610 is lining up, drops another pair into the red side of the lander.
Team 6712 diligently trying to put mineral after mineral into the lander, having a hard time competing with the Red Alliance. Team 267, uncontested for complete control of any mineral left lying on the ground, is trying to scoop up all it can before the start of endgame.
Very intense. 6712 looking like they've got something, but it looks like they're going to try and line up to hang. 8610 sweeping violently as they line up.
Team 6712 managing to hang itself.
8610 trying to line themselves up. They're very narrowly onto it. It looks like they might run out of time, but they're lifting up off. They're nearly off the ground. It looks like we've got scores for qualification 21 up on the board with 282 points coming to the Red Alliance.